Hey everybody, Squint here. I got some time for another lock to pick. Got in the mail. It was actually a package for Dawn from Dawn's Locks. Let's see. And it was a PacLock 90 Alpha. You can see here. When I opened it up, it was actually from StarryLock. So we're gonna do this for StarryLock. I guess apparently YouTube kicked him off, and so we're gonna pick this lock for him. There's the bidding on these keys, and we're gonna pick a StarryLock padlock, PacLock. It's a beautiful little lock, nice red anodized. There we go. Here's this beautiful pick, custom pick here. Let's go ahead and zoom in a little bit. Here's the top of the keyway tension. And let's see what we got. Okay, a little click there out of the back. I believe these are 7-pin, 1, 2, and maybe 6. Definitely security pins. Felt like a little spool pin. Little click there. Oh, there we go. Got a deep falset now. No feedback. Let's see if I can find. Must just be stuck from a spool pin somewhere. See if I can get in here. Feedback there. And we have it open. Nice little pick. Here we go. Welcome back, Starry. All right, let's go ahead and see if we can crack this sucker open. See what we got inside. Let's see, we're gonna go ahead and there is an Allen screw. Interesting. All right, well, I wasn't expecting this. Let me put this on pause and go find the tool that I need. Apparently, I took all of my Allen wrenches out of here, I think. Nope, we got some. thought we took them all out of here. Nope, still sliding on that. I'm sorry about this, guys. Okay. Probably has some Loctite on there. It's pretty tight. There we go. Let's see if we got in here. Got one little pin trying to stick down. It's a number 1 driver. There we go. All right, so let's go ahead and look at these key pins real quick. You can see that everything was in there and working. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nothing done to the core. No mods at all. Scoot these over. Interesting here. All standard key pins except for the last one. It looks like it's got a little serration, couple serrations in there. So we already have number 1 out. That was a spool pin. Number 2 is a serrated pin. Three, another little spool pin. Steel springs here. Okay, we'll go get 6. Long driver. Standard. 5 is another spool. And number 4. another serrated. All right, there we go. Beautiful little lock. Nothing done in the Bible, so you guys can see here. Look at that number 6, real long driver there in 6. Spool pin there in number 5 and number 4, so or number 3. I'm thinking number 3 is what opens us up. That spool pin has some like a weird, I don't know if you guys can see that or not. It has some kind of weird serration. See that right there? Maybe that's just the fault, a faulty something on the milling. I was gonna look at this other spool pin to see if it had that. No, I don't see it on that one. I wonder if the milling or something happened, or if that's a security feature. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Anyway, you guys can see the pins there. Pretty standard. 90 alpha from StarryLock. Thanks, Starry, for sending this out to Don. Don, thanks for letting me pick it, buddy. I'll get this packed up in the next box that I send you. For everyone else, I appreciate you. Thanks for sticking with me. I know I'm only making videos every now and again, but sometimes, you know, gotta stick to what pays the bills. All right, guys, I appreciate it. Thanks. This is Squint, and I'll be on to the next lock.